Trinity's cooking pancakes. Smile, Trin. It's my birthday.
My birthday.
How old are you?
7.
And show me your little tiny pancake, but don't get burnt.
Here's your plate.
For these?
Go ahead. What's your hand?
Easy. Wow, look at her go, guys. It's going to go on Facebook.
No.
Heaven forbid.
Don't send it to anybody.
Hey, you're going to start burning them.
I will.
I'm going to clean the filter right now. And,
Yay!
Daddy.
sweet.
She's making pancakes, Daddy. She's a good pancake maker. Made pancakes on her birthday.
Mama, you're not supposed to ever turn them over.
Careful. Careful, don't burn yourself.
I won't say what I want to say right now.